Papa Bear versus Bouncy Daughter. Who'll win? Repeat her tricks, old man, and I'll give you all my money, I swear. All $50. Whoa! Are you really gonna try to do that?
Round 1, fight.
Now look! Look! He's seriously gonna try repeat that. Would you stop embarrassing yourself in front of your kids? Or are you planning to move out? Dude, you should go camping with them. Really, it's not your thing.
Round 2, fight.
You got excited too soon. Round 2. Even your son does it better, and he doesn't even look like an athlete. Well, let's see.
Round 3, fight.
Round 3. Looks like I'm keeping my money. As gracious as an overfed badger. Oh, don't embarrass yourself. Yeah, too late. Round 4. You failed twice. Last chance, bro. Hey, boy, that's a whole other element. Well done. Strong guy. But the Rex must be upright. The how many time is it now? I've lost count. You're persistent. I'll give you that. That's a lot of effort. I respect that.
Final round.
Dude, I'm ashamed to say it, but it looks like I'm starting to believe in you. You're too stubborn to give up. Whoa! I would have given up ages ago. Woohoo! $50 to you. Kudos, bro. Well done. A great example for kids. I'm gonna go skipping or something. But what a great time you guys are having together. And they say sports is nothing but pain. Liars. It's a real buzz if it's with your loved ones. How do you spend time with your kids?